see what we can see. That looks quite nice up there. Fix my bag. I'm covered in branches. Let's see. Somebody's discarded bottle. It's a beer bottle. I'll take that out in a minute. Let's see if there's any nice mushrooms up there. And that nice bit up there. I need to adjust my camera too. It's just lovely in here. Yeah. I'm not seeing an awful lot at the moment. And there's some little ones. Little mushrooms. It's a wee bit of a quagmire. Something's going through here. Something. I know my face is getting attacked by these branches. Oh, damn. Right. There's a nice big puffball mushroom. It's a wee fair size. And then you've got those little ones. These little baby mushrooms. I'm going to go back on the main path, I think. Yeah. Okay, let's go. I've cut my way through this. Thought I'll go back a different way. Then we can see different things. Like those mushrooms there. And just wander through the denseness. But to be honest, it's killing me. It's quite dense, so I'm going to try and make my way back as easily as I can. Right, there's a wee track here that we can get down, maybe. Seems a long way, mind you. Whereas that's a shorter distance, maybe. Yeah. Maybe. I might regret this. Getting there. Getting there. You wouldn't want to be running away from any wild animals, I'll tell you. Because they're low on the ground. You've got to go through all this. Thank goodness I'm through it. Ouch. That wasn't nice at all. Glad to be out. Whew. It's nice to explore, but it's nice to get into a bit of civilization as well. So where I want to be is further up that way, the way that I came. It's alright. We know where this is at least. Alright, we'll get you back when I know where I'm going. trying just a different little thing today. We're going walking up in the woods. It's something I've been doing for a while. But if you like it, let me know. We're going for a wander up some gullies and rivers, looking for mushrooms, wildlife, you name it. We'll see what happens. Hopefully it'll be really interesting. Hopefully you'll like it. And yeah, let's go and have a wee look, see what we can find. I'm trying to find, it's not just me going out having a wee wander. I'm trying to find an old gravel pit and an old gasworks from way back in the 1900s, like 1900, 1903. So I'm actually looking for these, and hopefully we'll find them. We'll have good fun, believe me, we'll have some fun. Okay, let's go and have a wee look. I've walked over here because I spotted something really interesting, and they're down here. They're absolutely gorgeous. You can eat them, so you can maybe guess what they are. Lovely chanterelle mushrooms. I'm going to show you them. They're just in here. I'll get my other camera going. They're perfect. Absolutely perfect. And they're in here. There's some over there. They're not the best. Look at these. Isn't that lovely? Just such a lovely bunch. And the colour of them is just quite vibrant. Really nice. Will I pick them? I don't think so. I'll probably leave them to their own devices. There's some up here as well. At the back. Oh, look at that. Yeah, these are just lovely, beautiful chanterelle mushrooms. You can't get any better than that. And I would take some home, but you've got to be very careful with chanterelle mushrooms as well, because there is false chanterelles also. But these I'm pretty sure are beautiful chanterelle mushrooms. Look at that. Is that not stunning? Perfect. Let's go and see what else we can find in this lovely wood. I found a gravel pit that I was trying to find. I now have to find an old gasworks, which is over in that direction somewhere. I'm so pleased I came in here. They're lovely. And if I had the guts, I'd pick them. Might take one just to see if my local friend knows what they are. Okay, I'll see you in a wee minute once I find something else for you. Okay, I'm just going to show you this little glen that I'm in, basically, which is really, really nice. It's hard to really get the full extent of it. This little river. That there is a giant piece of quartz in that river. Amazing. Look at it. Quartz there, and that giant bit there. But just look at this. Isn't that magical? Couldn't believe that. Let's go and have a look at the little bridge. There's loads of little places like this. That is quite little foxy hole or something in there. I'll wait till you see this one over here. Right, we're going in here. This lovely brown water. Look at that. That's a much better picture. I've got it on my camera on auto now, so it's adjusting to the light. But isn't this just super in here? I'd love to go in for a dip. Just absolutely amazing. We'll go over there and have a wee look. But look at this. I want to show you this over here that I discovered. It's just quite spooky. Come and have a wee look, see. I'm chewing gum, by the way. Terrible. Right, I'll turn you round. Right, we've got you round. Look at that wee cave in there. Something's been in there. I put a light in. And they've been eating another poor wee creature. Let's see if we can get some light in the mountain. I mean, something's been in there. Eating the poor wee animals. Bits up there. It's probably a wee rabbit that's been eaten. What do you see in there? It's not allowing me to adjust the eyes though. There we go. A bit better. The water is so brown. So brown. I'm going to attempt to go over here and do a little bit. Oh dear, it's slippy as slippiness. Look at that. Fantastic. That is a good stone. Wow. That is really nice. Don't know what it is, but it's really nice. I'll keep that one. Just look at that. I'll definitely come back for a swim. There's so many lovely stones. You can hear them all moving. Bits of crystal. Look at it. Just amazing. Loveliness. Just in the one bit. Love it, love it. There's another good one. Strange little bits on the end. Look at that, that's just, I've never seen that many bracket fungus on one tree stump, basically. Look at that. Wonderful. They are horseshoe bracket fungus. They're like a horse's hoof. Why they call them horseshoe, I don't know. And just in the background, I don't know if you see them. Can't remember what you call them, but I'll put it up on the screen. There you go. Those little curly things. Those are edible and were eaten for a long time in Scotland and over the world, I suppose. I'll find out what they're called and put it on the description. Just love that. That's amazing. Super, let's carry on. We'll go for another wee stroll and then get back to the car. I hope you're enjoying this as much as I am, but these are absolutely amazing. The little terraces, little terrace houses, amazing. Alright. Okay, we'll leave the fungus and continue on our little trip. And just, oh my goodness, what is that over there? I thought that looks like a monster. Looks like a big long-fingered monster in the water. There's also the remnants of a building. I never saw that on any maps. I'm going to have a wee look at that. It's just amazing here. Amazing what you can see. Hopefully I don't go into a boggy bit. Put the mushrooms in there. That is really strange structure. Never seen anything like that. Got lovely water here. I might spend a little bit of time here. Perhaps. That is a weird structure. I may go back to my car just to check it and then head back. We'll go and look at this falls. Try not to fall in. Whoops, a daisy. Really nice. I do live in a stunning country and I'm so appreciative of it. It's gorgeous. I'm going to jump in there one day. It's a grand wee pool. Right, let's go and see if, whoops, I can find my car. Amazing. Getting eaten to death as well, a little. Might go and get a wee cup of coffee. I've only had about 5 today. But this is amazing. Just walking along here. Let's go over the other side. This is the easiest bit to go over. Even if I do get wet, it's alright. I don't mind. I just love this. You wonder what that actually was. God, that's weird over there. Do you see that tree? Let's have a wee look at that. This is just incredible. Like 2 doors. And this is just a wall. I need to check that out on the old map. That's so nice. Getting a picture. Camera died on me. It's round the corner. Just so nice here. I did find a couple of pieces of china in the water. I haven't found any here. So nice. Little path. Look at that. They're not just enchanting. Wow. We need to investigate this. Well, there's a brick, or a bit of a brick. Bit of civilization. And a bit of a pipe, as in pipe. Is that pottery? More pottery. That's old. Definitely old. Alright. There's another brick there. We're getting little bits of something. Let's go and investigate this wall down here. It's not really a wall, it's just like, wow. It's just like, wow. There's another bit of pipe. Big bit of crystal. Oh my. That is just incredible in my mind. Look at the shine on that. Fool's gold. Nobody comes down here. Nobody. Hope you don't mind me coming down and just wandering. That's what I love doing, having a wander. It's just amazing that tree is just sitting in there. Then we've got another one across the little stream. This is a wee sun trap. We could be going into a totally different world here. Look at it. Where are we going, Norman? Where are we going? Seeing so many strange rocks. Wow. I hope I make a video of this, and I hope you like it. This is just so nice, being in this strange land. That's a huge piece of crystal rock stuck in there. Look at it all. Magic. That one there. Love to clean that. Look at it. It's like a fish. I will need to clean that and come back and take it. Maybe. But look at that. Is that not incredible? And a little fish. I'll take a picture. Okay, let's continue. So we're getting wet. Getting wet feet. Not webbed, but wet. Look at that in there. Can you see in there? Because I can't. Spiders, webs and everything. Amazing world. Full of crystals. Wow. Let's keep going. And then you come to this lovely opening. I might get to have a look in there. In that little cave. If I'm allowed. Need to go up the banking. It's just beautiful. It's where we came from. And this is where we're going. I'm actually keeping my eyes open for more bits of china and possibly an old bottle. You never can tell. I honestly don't know where my car is now. I can hear the road. So we're not too far away. Look at that. Amazing. Right, there's a wee bridge. Wee bridge. Sure that's where I crossed over. Yeah. My car is over there somewhere. My truck. Shouldn't call it a car, it's a truck. It's just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Yesterday I found a piece of marmalade jar in there, which I'm sure I put over here somewhere. But I don't see it. Where did I put it? I don't remember now. Isn't it just stunning in here? Look at the colours. Beautiful paths. Amazing. Let's go back to the car and get a wee cafe. I hope that you enjoy this wee bit of nonsense. It's a wee change from the normal. And I know it's not metal detected, but we did find some little treasures, i.e. some lovely mushrooms, some chanterelles, some horse's hoof mushrooms, which I'll need to look into more and try and tell you a wee bit more about them. But this has just been a fantastic walk, and I'm glad I could take you on it. To come down here and be in such a beautiful country and be able to appreciate it is one of my favourite things. So I hope it becomes one of your favourite things, and I hope you'll join me again in the future, and I hope you're not too bored with walking about in the countryside. So please take care. I'll see you soon. Remember to subscribe over here if you liked it. Let me know if you liked it, that'd be a good thing. If you like this sort of thing, I can do it more like this as well. More walks up rivers and just exploring, finding new things. I enjoy it. Hope you enjoy it. Take care. See you soon.